The cat. Introduction. The cat is a small pet animal. Lt is very soft and cute. Description. The cat has 4 legs, 1 round head, 2 cars, 2 eyes, and a short tail. Its body is covered with soft hair. Eyes are very bright, so it can see in the dark. It has sharp claws. Kinds. There are 2 kinds of cats. They are domestic and wild. Cats are of many colors. They are white, black, and mixed colored. Cats are found everywhere in the world. Nature. The cat is a gentle animal. It likes to live at warm places. The cat is also very neat and clean. The cat eats fish and flesh. It is fond of milk. Usefulness. The cat does some good to us. It kills rats and keeps our house free from rats. So it is useful to us. Conclusion. Everybody loves the cat for its gentle nature.